The problem with ESG, and a lot of people don't know about it, but it's this idea of transforming capitalism, not just to serve shareholders and people who invest in a company, but that companies owe a duty to serve the community. They've done that long before ESGs existed in terms of philanthropy, and that's a good thing that they're engaged in philanthropy and engaged in their community. What's happened, however, is it's been hijacked for a single ideology. And the things that are being pushed through that system are things that belong in the political process. So those big decisions do not belong in a process that bypasses democracy. And ESG is a brilliant tool for those that have come up with it to essentially make elections never matter. So that no matter where we, the people, want to go, you have this massive power that is greater than the entire U.S. economy saying, no, we're going to go in this direction on a whole host of issues, not just climate, but on a whole host of issues that belong in the debate process, hearing from Democrats and Republicans talking about the pros and the cons and the costs and the benefits. There's always trade-offs in everything we do. There's no consideration of that in ESG, and so it's a hijacking of democracy fundamentally.